Okay guys, we're in Target in Chicago. Namimili po kami ng panggamit ng aking anak si Queenie sa kanyang mga sa kanyang titirahan dito sa Chicago. Nakumpleto namin yung gamit niya.
Is that good?
Yeah.
So you have pink pillows and sheets.
You have
Yellow blanket, pink pillow.
yeah.
So two different textures though. Is that fine?
Yeah.
It looks a little cozy.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
What else do you need?
Bathroom it is. Fuck. Let's go.
Yeah, bath is that way.
Okay, let's go bath and then food. This is cute. Yeah?
Balik na lang na siya.
Ang asawa ko napagod itutulak na lang daw siya, sasakay na lang siya. Sasakay na lang siya. Sasakay. Ayo, pumangga mga. Ayo, pumangga. Sa pagod niya, napagod sa kalalakad, sakay na lang ng cart. Ang lakas mo maghamon na maglakad tapos napagod ka rin. Ang lakas mo maghamon na maglakad tapos napagod ka rin. Go, Clara, go, go. Singer siya, singer. She's a singer. La 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 la.
Up, up, up.
Oh, she's drooling. Yes, I know how lonely life can be. The shadows follow me. On the night would set me free.
Hindi, ngayon lang ganit niya mahabol.
And I love you so. People ask me how. La 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 la.
Patilawan.
La 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 la. And yes, I know how lonely life can be. The shadows follow me. In the night would sit
Nandito na po ang singer namin.
Swimming around on me.
Yay!
Ang ganda sila singer. Yay!
Your daughter work? She wrote a lot of sugar? Really? Okay. I'm outside also. One of the nice
Everything good. Bus. Dominated by John
Can I get one picture for Bob, please? Thank you so much. Who's going to Loyola? Congratulations. If we need anything while you're in Chicago, we just let us know. We live about a mile right across from the beam. Thank you so much. You have a great day. Anything you need. Grateful for everything. Thank you. Thank you so much.